Hi, in today's video training of Node.js, we will be learning about NPM. So what is NPM? NPM is a package manager for Node.js packages or modules if you like. npmjs.com hosts thousands of free packages to download and use. The NPM program is installed on your computer when you install Node.js. NPM is already ready to run on your computer. What is a package? A package in Node.js contains all the files you need for a module. Modules are JavaScript libraries you can include in your project. Downloading a package is very easy. Open the command line interface and tell NPM to download the package you want. Let's say I want to download a package called upper-case. So I just need to type in npm install uppercase. So let's do this. I'm going to write npm install uppercase. You see the package is being downloaded and it has already installed quickly in my directory, and you can see now I have a folder called node modules. Now you have downloaded and installed your first package. NPM creates a folder named node modules where the package will be placed. All packages you install in the future will be placed in this folder. So my project now has a folder structure like this. If you want to see the contents of node modules, you can see we have the uppercase module folder. Once the package is installed, it is ready to use. Include the uppercase package the same way you include any other module. For example, var uc equals require uppercase. Let's create a Node.js file that will convert output hello world into uppercase letters. So let's create a project file for this video training. Let me call it node npm or node uppercase .js, and let's code var http equals require http module. This is the built-in Node.js module. Then we are going to require uppercase module. This is the uppercase module that we just installed through npm. http dot create server function request response dot listen 80 response dot write head and 200. This is the status code we are sending from the server to the client. Content type, and here we say text /HTML. This is the content type we will be sending to the browser. s.write, and here we are using the uppercase module uc.uppercase, and we are passing it hello world string. And now we need to end the response .end. Let's save this file and go to the console, and let's run this file node uppercase.js. Sorry, I mistyped node uppercase.js. Let's run the browser. localhost colon 8080. Okay, you see we have all the characters in the uppercase. This is because of the uppercase modules that we installed through npm, and we used this module right here UC dot uppercase, and we passed in the hello world string to this uppercase method, and it returned us all the characters in capital letters. So that's how you can use third-party modules in Node.js and install them using NPM. We have done this already, so just for remembering, save the code above in file called demo uppercase.js and initiate the file. Initiate demo uppercase, and that's how you run your demo uppercase. And you see that we already opened this localhost colon 8080 in our browser, and we got the result hello world. I hope that you have understood the concept of NPM and how to use it to install third-party node modules. I hope you liked this video training, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Node.js.